unintentional second-degree murder while committing a felony, find the defendant guilty. Third-degree murder, perpetrating an eminently dangerous act, find the defendant guilty. Second-degree manslaughter, culpable negligence, creating an unreasonable risk, find the defendant guilty.
Well, he's a convicted murderer. Derek Chauvin will be sentenced for the murder of George Floyd today. It will happen this afternoon, and you can watch it live right here on BNC. And joining us this morning to talk about what we can expect is our justice correspondent, Candace Kelley. Good morning to you, Candace.
Good morning.
You were with us throughout. Good morning. You were with us throughout this trial, day one, and each day you methodically took us through the testimony. So the sentencing. The spotlight is on the judge, Peter Cahill here. You know what a lot of people are asking for. And we saw him throughout the proceedings. He was tempered, he was measured. What about today? Will we see a different side of Cahill as he weighs in final judgment?
Yeah, we'll see a different side of him because really, first of all, we're going to hear from him. This is the opportunity for the judge to say to the defendant, this is the sentence that you're going to receive, and here are the reasons why. Now, we already know that he put out a memo talking about the aggravating factor, so we heard his voice a little bit there. But during the trial, as you said, he was very calm and cool. We didn't hear a lot vocally from him, but today he will speak. So that's going to be the major difference in terms of what goes on today. You're going to hear from him speak directly to the defendant. We're going to get the reasoning behind whatever he says, and it's going to be his voice really that everybody is looking for in terms of what the case and the outcome of it will be, and finally bring all of this to a close, at least on a state level.
Well, you know, Candace, Cahill has been both a prosecutor and a defense attorney, and he's been on the bench for 14 years. So how will that impact his perspective in deciding the sentencing?
You know, as many people have said over the course of this whole trial, Judge Peter Cahill is very, very fair. So he has said that when we talk about sentencing someone, we're going to be looking at them in terms of what's going to help rehabilitate them, as opposed to what's going to actually maybe be looked at as some type of a revenge. So is he going to go for the jugular and the 40 years? No. We know that the prosecution is only asking for 30 years. But by and large, the fact that he has defense practice, the fact that he's been a prosecutor, and the fact that he's just not looking in terms of the spotlight to gain anything from this. He preserves the publicity, preserves the sanctity of the courtroom. What we're going to see is a fair judge, basically, by all accounts. And hopefully that is what we will see carry out in this courtroom today at 2:30.
I want to know about what we should expect. 30 years is what the prosecution wants for this fired Minneapolis police officer after everything we saw. What is the likelihood of that, Candace, that much time? And then once he is handed down with this sentence, how much time could he actually serve?
So generally, when someone is convicted on a crime as serious as this, they serve about 2/3 of the sentence. So if we're looking at 30 years, we're talking about 20 years that will be served. And then we also have to give him credit for the time served because he has been behind bars since he was arrested for this crime. But then when we look at what should we expect and what could happen? Well, one of the things that we want to make sure everybody understands is that when it comes to sentencing, this is something that is a very, very serious crime that is unprecedented. So it's kind of a wild card in terms of whether the 30 years will stick or whether there will be 15 years, because Judge Peter Cahill, in looking at some of his previous sentences for similar charges, and there have been a handful of them, they have averaged about 15 years. Will it be more than 15 years? In my opinion, it certainly will. This is an aberration in terms of the case going all the way and the case having these type of aggravating factors and the fact that the police officers actually testify vociferously in this case. So I think that we're looking more 25 to 30 years, but as I said, 2/3 of that will be served. And so we'll see what the outcome will be. It will not be close to 40 years because, as we know, again, the prosecutors only asked for that 30.
Well, you did mention that Chauvin will be speaking today. I want to know what impact that could have on the judge's decision. Has he already made up his mind and it doesn't matter what Chauvin says? Or could what he says actually impact and either cause him to have more or less years?
So I think that the verdict is out on whether or not Chauvin will be speaking. In any other case, that it would be acceptable, expected, and respectable for a defendant to actually testify. A judge in this process wants to see some type of remorse. This is where the defendant can actually begin to make change. That's what we want in our court system, right? A change of heart. Is there any remorse? Is there any apology? Except that in this case, he's got other cases going on. First of all, there's an appeal. Eric Nelson has appealed this case, saying he should get a whole new case. Then there are federal civil rights charges that have already been levied against him and his 3 co-defendants. Then we've got a separate case of a 2017, what people would describe as a beating by Derek Chauvin when he arrested a 14-year-old, grabbed him by the neck, and battered him over the head with a flashlight. So because he's got so many moving parts here, it probably wouldn't make sense in this case for him to testify, because those words can be used against him, so to speak. If he's going to begin apologizing and showing contrition for what he did wrong, that would play out improperly in other cases. And I bet that Eric Nelson has advised him that even though it might make sense in another situation, today we don't necessarily want to hear from you, and it probably would not make that much of a difference.
Yeah, we've heard only a few words from Chauvin over the course of time. I want to know more about if he's convicted on the federal charges, if that would extend his time behind bars. But first, will we hear from Mr. Floyd's loved ones today?
We will. We will hear impact statements, and this is going to be a very difficult part of the day for a lot of people in and outside of the courtroom to hear again how this situation has impacted the lives of George Floyd's friends and family. This is the opportunity once again. It is a conversation with the judge. All eyes on Judge Peter Cahill. He's going to be listening to them. In fact, those who are making the statements cannot address anything to Derek Chauvin. Everything must be addressed to the judge, and we're going to hear a lot. We are going to hear a lot of very painful and emotional information and impact that this particular case has had on their lives. And that, too, is supposed to help in sentencing in terms of the upward moving of the numbers of how many years this particular defendant will get. So all eyes will be on them first before we even get to what Judge Peter Cahill says.
All right, Candace.
And quickly, Candace, can you just tell us, I'm sorry, Shannon, if he's convicted of the federal charges, if that will extend his time behind bars or it'll be concurrent?
It will not extend his time. It will be concurrent, and then federal, of course, trumps state. So whatever that charge is, that is the one that will take precedence. But he will get, once again, credit for time served.